Hi there, welcome to Imran kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make the chicken bharta. This is the way I make. Today I am going to share with you, and also thank you for everybody who are watching my channels. Thanks. And first we will cut the chicken, then we will marinate the chicken. So I have to slice like a little bit thinner size, like this. Then it will be cooked fast because I have to grill it. So now we will start the making marination. So this is half teaspoon garam masala and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. This is for color. So we are not adding any color. Put some little bit oil. So we'll mix it. So I'll keep it for 10 minutes, then I will start grill this one. So now time to grill the chicken. So I already preheated the grill pan for the last 3 minutes on medium heat. So now we have to brush little bit oil on top. So now meantime chicken is cooking, so I will start making the masala. So I already preheated the oil for the last 3 minutes on medium heat. So now I'll put this is 1 fine chopped onion. So now we have to increase the flame medium to medium high. So you need to cook at least 5 minutes until onion is cooked. The onion is almost cooked. Now I will put the 1 fine chopped tomato. So I have to cook the tomato also. So it will take another 4-5 minutes. So now time to flip the chicken. So keep the chicken moisture. So before you flip, you need to put some brushing on the top of the chicken. Right now I already flip it, so now I put some oil on the top. When I flip again, then I put some oil on top because it will keep moisture the chicken. And also onion and tomato is already cooked. So now time to put the ginger garlic paste. So this is 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. I need to saute a little bit, 1 minute. So now I will put the 1 teaspoon salt as taste and 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder. So we'll mix it. So now we'll put some water, at least like a 4 tablespoons. So need to put some Kasturi methi leaves, little bit crushed one, and also we'll put some half-inch ginger chop, and also half teaspoon garam masala, and 2 green chili fine chop, This is some leftover the turmeric powder. So I'll mix it. So masala is almost ready, half done. So I have to keep the slow down, low flame, because I have to wait for the chicken. When chicken is ready, then I will go for further process. The chicken is already cooked, so I have to turn off the gas. I have to take it out and I have to wait for until it's cooled down. Then I will go for the further process. So chicken is cooled down. Now I have to cut it cube size like this. Roughly cut. You don't have to worry about the perfect, but make smaller pieces. So now I have to increase the flame low to medium. So masala is already ready. Now I will put all the chickens. So now we'll mix it little bit. This is a combination of like a little bit creamy and little bit spicy. It's a nice flavor and hopefully you will like this one. So now I will put the 1 tablespoon butter and I will put some cilantro and I will put some kasturi methi crushed one. Now I will put the half cup of cream. So you need to cook at least 10 minutes more. So now is ready. We don't have to cook too much, just for 8 to 10 minutes. Otherwise, if you cook too much, the cream is inside. It will be release the oil. So that's it. Don't cook, overcook. It's already cooked. Chicken is already cooked. Masala is already cooked. So just mix it. Maybe 6-7 minutes is good enough. So now I have to take out. Hopefully enjoy this recipe and see you on next video. Interesting recipe.